Hello guys! It's Faith again and welcome back to my channel. I am back for another giveaway and syempre, diba sabi ko nga diba noong mga nakaraang giveaway ko na I'm going to do this every month hanggang kaya ko. So now, kaya ko pa naman. So I'm doing another giveaway because I received a lot of positive response from my last giveaway, yung beginner's kit na giveaway ko. I decided na bakit kaya hindi na lang makeup kit na giveaway. Pero syempre, hindi siya full face na pang makeup, pero kit pa rin. Alam ko naman kasi karamihan sa inyo, nagpupulbo na, may base makeup na, like may pulbo na, like kahit powder foundation lang or pressed powder. Kaya itong ipapag-giveaway ko is like isang kit talaga without base makeups. So, for the mechanics of this giveaway, number 1, first, the most important mechanic talaga is first you have to be a subscriber. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell beside the subscribe button so you will be notified for my future uploads. Isang winner lang pero dalawang set yung mapapanalunan niya. So yung isang set will be this one. Ayan siya. I got this sa Robinson's department store. Nung nakita ko siya, like, parang, oh, perfect siya for giveaway, diba? Para sa lahat ng mga beginners dyan. I got your back. So, eto siya. I love makeup na makeup sets. So, you get a blush, a lipstick, 2 eyeliners that's brown and black, a liquid lipstick, and a mascara. So, diba, kung may base makeup na kayo, eto, this will complete your makeup kit. So, let me open it. So, that is what's inside. So, diba, a blush, a lipstick, mascara, 2 eyeliners, liquid lipstick, and a neutral eye palette. So, perfect siya. And may guide kayo dito. Para sa mga beginners natin, may guide kayo dito kung paano gawin yung makeup nyo. So, it's really perfect for the beginners. So, this is the I Love Makeup Ultimate Cosmetic Collection for Everyday Beauty. So, ayan! And then, the next mechanic, of course, comment down below. Any comment will do as long as, ito yung bagong mechanica, as long as you put this emoji. I'm super in love with this emoji. Ito yung palaging emoji na ginagamit ko. So, as long as you put this emoji on the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to also write down your Instagram and Twitter usernames para madali ko kayong mahanap. So, again, comment down below. Any comments will do with this emoji. And then include your Instagram and Twitter username. Yes! Okay, next set will be a lipstick. A lipstick set. So, eto siya. The I Love Makeup Ultimate Lip Kit. So, this is perfect for the beginners. Diba? Very wearable yung colors niya. So, this Ultimate Lip Kit, this includes a lip liner, a lip primer, a matte lipstick, na regular matte lipstick, and then a liquid matte lipstick. So, you get 5 items in this Kissable Ultimate Lip Kit. Yes, that is the second set. I'm sorry, I cannot show you the inside kasi it is sealed. Like, it is sealed. Ito kasi, when I bought this, ganito talaga siya. Sealed siya inside, but you can see what's inside. But this one, it's really sealed, so I cannot open it. And then, for the third mechanic, of course, follow me in all of my social media accounts. I have a Facebook page named Faith Miquiabas. You have to like my Facebook page. Next, you have to follow me on my Instagram, and then third, you have to follow. You have to follow me on my Twitter. So my usernames are on the screen. I'm going to flash everything on the screen and on the description box below yung mga social media accounts para madali nyong mahanap. So ayun lang guys ang ating giveaway for the month of April. I hope you like it, and I hope marami pa rin sa inyo ang sasali sa giveaway na ito kasi hindi lang kayo yung nag-e-enjoy. Nag-e-enjoy din ako sa mga giveaways na pakulo ko, as in, kasi yung bang I'm in the middle of the month and then nag-iisip na ako, ano kayo ipapag-giveaway ko next month, ano? It's fun and I'm really enjoying this part or this series here in my channel. So, ayun lang guys, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below all the mechanics, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already to be entered in my giveaway. So, ayun lang, I'll see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah! God bless everyone!